Hello, and welcome to Ajayastra Money Guru. Today, we bring you the latest updates and advanced analysis on three key commodities: coriander, small cardamom, and turmeric. Let's dive into the details. Coriander prices in Gujarat spot markets have remained stable for the past 2 days, reflecting a lack of demand. The current stability is due to decreased arrivals because of rainfall and the off-season period. Additionally, spice companies are not engaging in significant purchasing activities during this time. Today, around 4,000 bags of coriander arrived in Gujarat. The average price across the state remained stable, ranging from 1,320 rupees to 1,520 rupees per 20 kg. In Gondal Mandi, 2,880 bags of coriander were traded at prices between 1,351 rupees and 1,611 rupees per 20 kg, against the arrival of 3,000 bags. In Rajkot Mandi, 750 bags were traded with prices ranging from 1,150 rupees to 1,431 rupees per 20 kg. Other markets in Gujarat also saw limited activity, with Junagadh Mandi receiving 200 bags, Jetpur Mandi 200 bags, and Jamjodpur Mandi 150 bags. The remaining 500 bags were traded at around 1,150 rupees per 20 kg. Dhania contract for August delivery settled at 7,228 rupees per quintal, showing a rise of 12 rupees over the previous close of 7,216 rupees per quintal. The contract moved in the range of 7,184 rupees to 7,246 rupees for the day. Open interest decreased by 570 metric ton to 27,655 metric ton, while trading volume decreased by 725 to 1,180 metric ton. Dhania contract for September delivery settled at 7,318 rupees per quintal, showing a rise of 10 rupees over the previous close of 7,308 rupees per quintal. The contract moved in the range of 7,278 rupees to 7,342 rupees for the day. Open interest increased by 590 metric ton to 3,725 metric ton, while trading volume decreased by 670 to 925 metric ton. Currently, the spread between the August and September contract is -90 rupees per quintal. Dhania stock in NCDEX accredited warehouse as of the 25th of July 2024 was 15,977 metric ton. The small cardamom market saw a decline in prices, influenced by excess rains across major consuming centers and increased trading activity. Despite the current limited supply until a new crop arrives, which is expected to support prices, the recent good rains have promoted crop development, reducing the likelihood of a sharp price rise. The average price per kilogram fell to a range of 2,267 rupees to 2,320 rupees, while the maximum price dropped to 2,705 rupees from 2,794 rupees per kilogram. Arrivals increased to 41,174 kilograms from 34,097 kilograms but remained below 50,000 kilograms for the third consecutive session, with excess rains contributing to this lower arrival volume. The offtake, or amount sold, rose to 40,915 kilograms from 33,515 kilograms, reflecting higher demand, and the offtake rate slightly improved to 99.4% from 98.3% in the previous session. Grade-specific prices remained stable during the fourth session. Prices for 7 mm grades ranged from 2,080 rupees to 2,160 rupees per kilogram, while 7 to 8 mm grades were priced between 2,280 rupees and 2,360 rupees per kilogram. For grades 8 mm and up, prices were between 2,480 rupees and 2,660 rupees per kilogram. The stability in grade-specific prices is attributed to consistent demand. As the season progresses and the new crop arrives, market dynamics may shift, potentially impacting price levels. However, current conditions and the ongoing rainy season are expected to keep a check on both arrivals and price fluctuations in the near term. The turmeric market displayed mixed price trends, with spot market prices mostly stable except for Hingoli and Kesamudram, where prices rebounded following a decline in the previous session. The overall market sentiment remained weak, as fresh selling was reported on the NCDEX, with contract prices falling by 1.3% for October delivery and 1.5% for August delivery. Turmeric prices have been trading within the range of 15,000 rupees to 16,000 rupees per quintal for the past 10 to 12 sessions, indicating a critical juncture. Despite some recovery in certain spot markets, the overall price pressure persists, partly due to weak export demand, which has shown no signs of improvement for 7 consecutive months. Local buyers are engaging in hand-to-mouth transactions, further keeping prices under pressure. Arrivals of turmeric totaled 7,345 bags, down from 12,334 bags in the previous session, as excessive rains in major turmeric growing regions impacted the market. Farmers have reported a potential increase in acreage as falling prices and shifting preferences toward tour cultivation influence planting decisions. Turmeric contract for August delivery settled at 15,758 rupees per quintal, showing a fall of 240 rupees over the previous close of 15,998 rupees per quintal. The contract moved in the range of 15,702 rupees to 15,976 rupees for the day. Open interest decreased by 240 metric ton to 19,110 metric ton, while trading volume decreased by 380 to 1,105 metric ton. Turmeric contract for October delivery settled at 16,450 rupees per quintal, showing a fall of 218 rupees over the previous close of 16,668 rupees per quintal. The contract moved in the range of 16,444 rupees to 16,600 rupees for the day. Open interest increased by 285 metric ton to 9,420 metric ton, while trading volume decreased by 355 to 605 metric ton. Currently, the spread between the August and October contract is minus 692 rupees per quintal. Turmeric stock in NCDEX accredited warehouse as of the 25th of July 2024 was 10,396 metric ton. That's all for today's update on coriander, small cardamom, and turmeric markets. Stay tuned to Ajayasthomani Guru for more in-depth analysis and updates on various commodities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest insights.